guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com, and for today's recipe, it is made of potatoes. In Indonesia, we call them as Perkedel Kentang. So it's beef and potato patties or nuggets or balls. Check out the full video now. I'll see you soon again. Bye. Skin and cube 3 large potatoes. One potato is around 265 to 270 grams. Fry the cube potatoes. Now we're gonna brown 500 grams of lean ground beef. And you want to either drain the fat, this liquid, or keep browning until there's no liquid left. Season with chicken bouillon powder, ground coriander and ground cumin, and then set aside to cool. Using food processor, this is for garlic with 2 to 3 tablespoons of water and half of a small onion. We're gonna process it into smooth paste. And then put it into a clean bowl. Add in about 2 teaspoons of chicken bouillon powder, generous pinch of ground white pepper, as well grated nutmeg, and also 2 yolk. And you want to just mix them until completely combined. And then we're gonna add in our fried potatoes. Now mash it. And then we're gonna add in our cooked beef. And my cat just meow. Just gonna mix this until completely combined. Then we're gonna shape it into nugget or patties or round oval. Beat the egg white. This is 2 egg whites. Shape this and then dip it into the beaten egg whites. Like so. Now it's ready to be fried until golden brown. Serve as is to accompany your rice, soto ayam, chicken soup, or dip it with your favorite sauce. Even with ketchup is good.